Hi guys, it's Miley. Today I'm going to be opening my Farmasi starter kits that I got in the mail on Tuesday of this week. I bought them last week Friday, I want to say. Thursday, Friday? Didn't take that long to get here. It's now Thursday, but I've been waiting until everything was settled and I haven't opened them. They're completely unopened. I've been waiting until I could film this so you guys could all see what I got in my starter kits. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is everything that came in my package. These are unopened, plastic's still on, but I just took everything out of the main big package that it comes in UPS in because I didn't need you guys seeing my address. Anyway, so it comes with a postcard that you can send to people. It says Merry Christmas on it because obviously it's the Christmas season. It came with the magazine with, you know, everything that you can buy from Farmasi right now, which you got a bunch of those so you can hand those out. We got the Christmas deals that they're going on right now, you know, the sales. This is kind of nice. All right, now to what we're actually here for. All right, so this is the product kit and this is the starter kit. I'm gonna start with the starter kit. All right, here we go. Oh, hold on. There's my hole. There it is. Okay. See, plastic is still on. Love me some good plastic ribbons. I like this pink too. It's really nice. Get that out of here. All right, here we go. Oh, that's nice. I like that. All right. Ooh, our new and dear entrepreneur. Oh, that's for me because I'm an entrepreneur. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Oh, okay. Here's what I'm here for. Lipsticks. I love lipsticks. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. So these are all, if you want me to swatch any of these or anything, let me know. What is this? Oh. User recommend. Okay, so this is like, okay. Opportunities. Okay. This is not in English, but that's okay. Skincare guide. Oh, the color chart. Nice, nice. Okay. What else is in here? Oh, there's a bag. I love bags. Oh, it's like a little gift bag. That's cute. Okay. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, I like the color on that one. Beauty never dies. That is true. Okay, and then we got some samples. What we got? Okay, Dr. Tuna Double Effect Balsam. Okay. What is this? Vitalizing. Okay. Dr. Tuna. Yes, he is the doctor. He's the one that, you know, started Farmasi. Calendula hand cream. Okay, face cream. And sleeping mask. Oh, there's a sleeping mask. I love sleeping masks. And these are the Stay Matte foundations. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Okay, so that's what's in that box. Let's put all that back now. I'll put all that back in there. Alright. Give me a second. I'm going to put all this back and then I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I've put everything back in my starter kit. So this one, if you want to become a beauty influencer, is $20. This is like the base, the starter. For the starter pack, starter kit, it's $20 plus shipping. All right, and then this is my product kit. It is the other one of the other starter kit options you can choose from. This one is $40, I want to say, maybe a little more. Can't remember off the top of my head. Where is my hole? There's my hole. I made a little hole in these in the plastic because I wanted it to make it easier. That is all I did. Okay, that's all I did, I promise. Let me switch hands. But I wanted to make it easier on myself to open the plastic because, you know, plastic can be a little... Also, if you see my nails, don't mind them. I was trying to take, you know, my old phone out of its phone case and it's very difficult. I kind of messed up. Don't comment on my nails. I don't need that in my life. Okay, this is the $40 round. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, oh. This is the face cream. Okay, oh, I need that. I have dry skin, so deep hydration is good. Sensitive and dry skin. Good, I need that. Ooh, is this a, oh, this is matte lipstick. Oh, a liquid matte lipstick, yes? Yes. Okay, this is a nude essence. It should work for my skin tone, actually, yeah. Ooh, what else we got in here? Okay, what is this? Oh, is this a pencil? Ooh, this is eyebrow liner. This is gonna be too light for me. It might work, but it might be too light for me. I'm a little, you know. Is this a lip liner? I think this is the lip liner. Yep, this is the lip liner. So that should go with the matte liquid lipstick. This is the eyebrow and lash serum. Ooh, I like this packaging. It's really nice. Okay, what's this? This is the, oh, creamy eyeshadow. What color? What color? What color? What color are you? In 3. Okay, I might need to open that and see what that is. Hold on a second. I will get back to that. What is this? A blush. What color blush? Okay, I'll open those and look at them in a minute. Okay, this is the Extreme Curl Mascara. Okay, False Lash Effect Mascara. I do like those. I do like those kinds of mascaras. What is this? Oh, eye cream. Yes, I need eye cream. The Age Reverses eye cream. Okay. Okay, what is this? Tea tree oil serum. Multiple. Tea tree oil. Limited skin impurities and helps smooth skin. Oh, okay. I like a good serum. Oh, is this the liquid liner? Oh, yes. I've been needing to get a new liquid liner, so this is helpful. I have so many things that are helpful in this. Ooh, the gel. Oh, yes. A pot of gel eyeliner. Okay, so let's see what color this cream eyeshadow is, shall we? If I can get it open. Ooh, I want to see it. Give it to me. Thank you. Oh, oh, yes. Yes. Okay, I'm sorry. I really like that color. That's a nice color. Okay, what is this one? What is this blush? What color blush is it? Is it gonna work for me? Probably. But, you know, we'll see. Open. I need you to open with one hand. I need you to do this for me. I got it. Good. Oh, that's in my... yeah, no, that should work for me. All right. If you want me to see me swatch anything, let me know. If you want me to do, you know, a little tutorial using the things I got, let me know. All right. See you guys next time.